Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this LG 42-inch smart TV, and the issue with it is that the screen starts flickering. So just going to show you when it starts flickering. Here we go. So with the time it becomes intense. Right, so this is the situation I was on about. Just going to zoom it in. So the screen starts flickering. I'm just gonna zoom in. So this is the problem. Now it's normal. Now it's flickering. So that's what we're gonna deal with. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it and investigate why we got this problem. Right, here we go, friends. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the back plate, the cover at the back, to find out what the problem is, why the screen is flickering. So we're just going to use Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to take off all these screws. There are some screws which are small ones, short ones, and the other ones are long ones. So these are the short ones here. So once we open the back cover, that's when we're gonna find out what the damage is, why the screen is flickering. So all the screws on the on the side frame, on the edges, are the small ones, short ones. There's one here. So this is the long screw. Right, here we go, friends. Now that I've taken all the screws off, just gonna take the back cover off. There we go. There isn't much here. So this is the PSU circuit board where the power cable plugs in. Just here. Okay. Uh, Here is where the USB and all the other connectors connects in. Looking at the circuit board here, you can tell it's got like that cigarette marks. You know, when you leave a cigarette on some surface. So this is the board which is problematic. I'm just gonna bring the camera a bit closer. As I mentioned, that the component here got burnt. Uh, the reason is that the reason why I can tell that is this area which is affected is because of the color of the circuit board. The rest of the circuit board is all same color, but when you come closer to this area, that's where you can see the cigarette burn, like something has got burnt here. Right, friends, so what I did is I took the model number of this LG TV, and I did a little research on internet, and we found a website which is called spares2repair.co.uk, and they were selling these components, refurbished ones, for this particular TV model. So I managed to get one for very reasonable price. So here is the new circuit board. It is a refurbished circuit board which I've managed to get for under £20. So what we're going to do is we're just going to swap the circuit board and see whether it's going to make any change. But looking at the circuit board I've ordered, just going to bring it a little closer to you. So this circuit board doesn't have any burnt marks here like the previous one, and it's exactly like for like. So just going to take the tag off. So on this tag, we've got the exact model number, make and model number. So you have to match that. So this particular model is LG and the model number is just written here. Very simple, easy process to take the old circuit board out and replace it with a new one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press these two clicks to take the connector off here. Two connectors here. There's one, you just lift this side of it and it just pulls off. And then the black connector here. There we go. It's secured by a couple of Phillips screws. So we're just gonna remove them. So 99.9% of the time when the screen starts flickering is something to do with the PSU circuit board here. So that is the main circuit board. That's where the main cable gets connected. So two more screws to remove. There we go, friends. So that is the affected circuit board. Some of the component here got burnt. Just gonna show you on this side as well. So this area is affected on this circuit board. Okay, so this is gonna be replaced with one here, the fully tried and tested circuit board by the supplier. So just gonna place the screws first. So when you do this type of work on the TV, make sure that the TV is nicely placed on a flat surface. You can put a soft cloth under so that you don't damage the screen. Just a couple of more screws. It's exactly like for like. Right, here we go, friends. I've secured the circuit board. Just gonna push in the connectors. There we go. So that's the connector here, nicely secured. The white small connector here at the top and the black one. There we go, friends. That's all nicely done up. Nice and easy. So that is the circuit board nicely secured and all the connectors nicely plugged in. So just gonna show you again the old circuit board. So that's where the power lead plugs in, and it's got a couple of connectors, one here and two here. That's where these cables get connected. This one is just a blank, this slot here. So just gonna put the cover back on. There we go. So the long screw goes here. Right, here we go. Now that we have secured the back plate, obviously you have to be fully trained and qualified to open the electrical appliances for your own safety and the safety of the others. So basically, you look for the model number at the back of the TV. So you can get the model number from here. So this particular model LG 42LA690V. So that's what we typed in on the internet, and that's how we got this component from this website I mentioned earlier. So it's called Spares to Repair. They sell very reasonable and cheap components, and I'll leave the link in the description. Right, here we go, friends. This is the outcome after changing the component. You can clearly see that the screen is not flicking anymore. I hope this video is going to help you with sorting out your issue with your TV. Thank you very much for watching the video.